This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, today we will discuss database aspect. Okay, what is database? Here it is a collection of database objects for the purpose of storing the data. Now here I mentioned collection of database objects. What are the database objects? I will explain. The database objects like tables, views, macros, triggers, stored procedures. Okay. Now, what is row? Instance of a table. Yes. Means here different types of hello objects are there. Now coming to table and row and column. Okay. Table also same like the storing the data. Okay. Table wise. Here what is the row? Here instance of the table. And coming to what is column? The characteristics of table. For example, employee. Employee table characteristics like what are the column names? Employee ID, employee name, like that table. Each and every DB, like database, having commands. What are the DDL commands, DML commands, DCL commands, DRL commands? Coming to DDL, data definition language. Here, data manipulation language. And here, data controlling language. Now, data retrieval language. Here, data definition language, data manipulation language, data controlling language, and data retrieval language. Okay. Here, Coming to DDL, any kind of operation perform on structure of the table. Okay, we can go for DDL commands. Any kind of operation performed on structure of the table, we can go for DDL commands. What are the DDL commands? Create, alter, and drop commands. Okay. By using create, alter, drop commands, we can perform some kind of operation on structure. Structure means column names like employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee location, employee pin code, like that. Columns we can modify or delete or create table like this. Okay, you can go for DDL commands. Now, same way, data manipulation language. Same way, any kind of operation on data of the table. For example, ID, name, salary, those are the structures, right? Now, data, for example, ID equal to 1, name equal to Ram, location equal to Hyderabad, and pin code equal to 5000, some 81 number. Okay, that aspect we perform any changes, any kind of changes we can apply on the data. We can go for DML command. Okay, what are the commands? Insert, delete, and update. By using those commands, we can perform some operations on data. Perform on structure DDL, DML, come to DML, perform kind of operation on data. Okay, here, this I'm coming to here, data. Okay, yeah. Now, DCL. DCL means data controlling language. Here, for example, giving the access and taking removing the access. There, for example, admin role giving the access for particular tables, right? Giving the removing the access for particular tables. We can go for DCL, data controlling the language. Here, giving and removing for particular table. Okay, based on the role. What are the commands? Here, grant and revoke. Yeah. Next, the one is DRL, data retrieval language. Okay. Here, for the purpose of retrieving the data from tables. Okay. By using command select. By using this command, we can retrieve the data from the tables. Each and every DB having those commands only. Okay. DDL commands, DML commands, DCL commands, DRL commands. Coming to DDL, create, alter, drop, and DML, insert, delete, and update. And coming to DCL, grant and revoke, and DRL select only. Okay, most of the projects in ETL projects we are using only select statement only, DRL select statement only. Most of the projects. Okay, some projects they are giving some access like create table, order table, drop table, update table, delete and insert table as access. But most of the projects here only select statement we can use. Okay, any doubts till now? Commands aspect, any doubts? What
No,
is
sir.
row and what is database? Till now, what we discussed? What is database? What are the objects? Database objects. What is row? What is column? And different types of commands. And each and every DB aspect, we have some commands. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll start with DDL. How to create the table? How to altering the table? How to drop the table? And how to inserting the data. Once created the table, in this table we are trying to insert the data and we are trying to delete the data. We are trying to update the data, existing data. Okay, like that we are explaining. Yeah, here by using creator, each and every uh, command we have some syntaxes like create table, table name. Table name means table name within the bracket some column names, ID column, each and every column having one data type. Okay, ID, integer, and then name, worker. Within the bracket, we'll give some size. How many characters will insert in this name column? That is the reason 12 I mentioned. Okay, and salary, integer. Okay, I will open the data. I will execute the commands.
Teradata is a open source software or
It's the licensed one only.
oh, it's licensed.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it like kind of a MySQL where we can do the installation in our Windows system? Can able
Yes,
to learn it?
yes, yes, yes. First, we'll need to install the software for a DB.
Oh, that works in Windows platform or it only on
Yeah,
Linux
Windows
platform?
platform. Windows only.
Okay,
You
okay,
can able to execute in the Windows environment only for
okay.
installation software.
Okay, okay.
Once, yeah, open this one, I will execute the commands in the Teradata environment.
So you will give the demo by connecting the Teradata from that ETL tool, Informatica ETL tool, correct?
Yes, yes, Mohan Raj.
Okay.
Here I'm giving the syntaxes and executing the tables. Yeah. Create table, table name, sample 1, 2, 3. I'm giving within the brackets required columns will give ID column. Here we can mention data type, integer, the name, worker. Within the bracket, I will give 12 characters. After that, salary, integer. Required columns I mentioned in the within the bracket. Okay, this is the syntax, total syntax for creation of the table. Create table, table name within the brackets required column name. Here ID having some integer column names only accepted integer values. Name column only accepted worker column, worker characters, and salary integer values. Now after that giving some semicolon. Okay. Now select this one and execute this one. Yeah, table name is already there. Underscore 1. Yeah. Yeah, table is created right in the left bottom corner. It's showing create table completed, 0 rows written, right? Just we created one table. There is no data right now. Okay. Now by using DML command, we can inserting the data. Yeah. Insert into the insert for insert also having some syntax. Okay. Insert into table name within the bracket will give data. Like what are the column names? ID 1, comma, and the name aspect we mentioned worker, right? That is the reason while giving the data within the quotations only, single quotes. Okay. And after column name is salary, 1000. Total 3 parameters, right? Here while creating the table, here giving 3 parameters. Same way, 3 data values will give. After that, we'll give semicolon and select the statement and click on the F5 button in the on the keyboard. Yeah. Here in the left corner again, insert completed 1 row processor, right? It's showing 1 row processor, right? Yeah. Table created. We are inserted one record. Now, how to retrieve the data? How to see the data? By using one command, right? Here, yeah, select command, right? For the purpose of retrieving the data from the tables, we can go for select. Yeah, select star from table name. Yeah, star represents
Table
all
name.
the columns. Okay, cell here star represent all the columns. Sometimes actually we have 3 columns, right? ID column, name column, salary column. All the columns represent as star. Sometimes I want only ID column, name column, right? At the time I will give you same the give the syntax. Star replaced with column names. Okay. Now I'm executing the first query. Yeah. One recorded showing that. One recorded showing that. Now I am inserting one more record. Yeah, a record inserted, and now I am retrieving again data. Two records. It's showing. Yeah, the next statement, we retrieve only two columns for this table. Okay, at the time, not using star. Star means representing all the columns, and here required two columns we mentioned. Yeah, only two columns it's showing. Okay. Yeah, yeah. The next one is create completed and insert completed. Okay. Now altering the table. Any kind of operation perform on structure. Here in this table, what is the structure? ID, name, salary. This is belongs to structure. Where now we are using alter command. Actually, we have three columns, right? Right now, once created this table, how many columns created while creating the table? I will show you. Show table name. By using this command, yeah, yeah. After creation of the table, we'll see like that only. Structure aspect we'll see for this. How many columns in this table? ID column, name column, salary column. Okay. Yeah. Now in this table, three columns available. Now I want to add one more column. Okay. At that time, you can go for alter command. Okay. How to use alter command? Now we will discuss. Okay. Our requirement is new column required in the existing table. At that time, you can go for alter table name.
Add.
Here, add column name, new column name. For example, pin code, and data type will give integer. Okay. Now execute this statement. Yeah. First, this one. How many columns in this structure? Only three columns, right? Now we will execute this one. Yeah, one row processed, and after that we'll see this one. Yeah, now pin code is available, right? Yeah, any kind of operation perform on structure, right? That is the reason you can go for DDL commands, data definition language. What are the commands? Create, alter, and drop. Okay. Now drop command. This one is insert. Yeah. Now drop command and update command. First we will explain. Yeah. What is the command update? Update what is belongs to which group? Here is the DML. Why? Because by using update command, we can changing the existing data. Now it's showing two records, right? I want to change pin code with some number for one ID. Okay. Yeah. Update table name, set pin code equal to 50081. When I give like this now, the all pin code values reflected with 50081. Okay. Yeah, two rows processed, right? Left side corner it's showing. Now I am retrieving the data. Yeah, see that all the records aspect reflected with 50081 only. Okay. Now I want to change one first ID aspect. At the time, yeah, update table name, set pin code equal to 50082, where ID equal to 1. Okay. Only reflected ID equal to one area only. Okay. By using where ID equal to 1. Okay. Yeah. Now execute this one again. Yeah. Now execute this one. Yeah. It is updated, right? Pin code is 50083 only. Okay. Where it is, where ID equal to 1. Okay. And now I want to change salary. At that time, you can go for same command, salary equal to 10,500, where ID equal to 1. Okay. Now I am retrieving main statement. Yeah. Salary updated, right? Before another value right now. So it's showing 10,500. Okay. By using alter command, sorry, by using update command, we can changing the data only. By using alter, updating the column names, updating the column names and adding the column names. Sometimes I want to change column names. Okay. Now column names are ID, name, salary, pin code. Now I want to change name underscore anything. For example, name underscore A. Okay. Or name underscore employee, like that. You can go for alter command. Again, alter command. Yeah. Here, alter table, table name, rename, old name to new name. Old name, what is that name? To new name, name underscore employee. Yeah. Now I'm checking. Yeah. Now that name is name underscore employee only. Previous name only. Okay. Yeah. Till now, what we completed? Create the table, insert the table, alter the table, drop the table, not completed, will give. Yeah, and update the command and the select statement. Okay. Yeah. Now coming to drop. If don't want this table, we can go for drop the table by using drop. Okay. Any kind of operation perform on structure. Okay. Here, drop table, table name. Yeah. Here also table is there and structure is there, right? Once executing drop command, those tables not available and data also inserted. So data also deleted. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm executing this one. Yeah. Drop table completed, right? Now I am checking. Yeah. What it's showing? The object sample 123 underscore 123 does not exist, right? Why? Because by using drop command, dropping the whole table and data also. And coming to structure, you'll see is structure is available or not. Yeah. Structure also there is once table does not exist, but we are not able to show structure, right? You got my point? By using drop command, the whole table we can drop. Okay. Now I am creating table and inserting records. Okay. Now retrieving the data again. Okay. Now dropping the table again. Once dropping the table, we are unable to retrieve the data and table also. Okay. Team, any doubts? Till now clear, right? Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Okay. If you're having any doubts, please let me know. I will explain on how to create and how to table, how to create the table, dropping the table, and inserting the table like this. Okay. Now coming to delete. Yeah, yeah. Now table is available, right? Yeah, not available. Now I want to create table. I want to insert the table. Yeah, this one. Now retrieving the data. Okay. Now coming to delete. By using delete command, we can deleting the data only. Structure is available. Coming to drop, once using drop command, structure and data also removed from database. Coming to delete, by using this command, only data deleted. Okay. Structure is available. Delete from table. Yeah. Now Table is available here, but zero rows, right? It's showing zero rows. Means structure is available. Yeah. The difference between delete and drop. Delete only deleting data. Drop deleting data and structure also. Okay. By using drop command, deleting data and structure also. By using delete, only data deleting. Here, structure is available. Okay. Structure is available. Yeah. Yeah. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Till now, no, right? Okay. I will close the session for today. We'll continue on tomorrow. Okay. If having any doubts, please check with Insu people. Okay.
Can
Actually,
you
how we get this?
can
Yeah.
you share
Go
some
ahead.
more details about Teradata installation?
Yeah. Installation aspect, I will give one number. They will take care. That is the paid service. Okay.
Oh,
The license version is required. Okay.
okay.
Teradata, Informatica,
Uh,
Perkil aspect, they are giving some installations aspect. They will guide you. Okay, fine.
how we can install this the software?
Yeah, that is the reason I'm telling you. Once you run confirmation, then I will give the number. You will take contact with that persons, and they will take care. That is the paid service only. Like 500 rupees something they will take.
And 500 for what's the validity for this?
Lifetime only. Actually, they are giving some dummy licenses. That is the reason they are using that one only for local aspect. Okay, 500
Okay.
online service. They are providing some online service. They will install through online also. If not possible to come to that place, you can take online service. Online also, they are providing some the softwares. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. I will close the session. Thanks for joining. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you. Yeah.
Thank you all.